Today we're going to show you how to prepare a great remedy against digestive problems such as heartburn, acid reflux, ulcers and gastritis. The key ingredient in the remedy are sweet potatoes, which have been known to treat numerous digestive problems. Gastritis, an inflammation of the stomach lining, manifests with symptoms like pain and heartburn, disrupting daily life. Left unaddressed, it can escalate to internal bleeding, potentially leading to severe complications. Fortunately, alternative remedies offer relief and healing without relying on conventional medications. One such remedy involves natural ingredients readily available in many households. To prepare it, start by gathering fresh ginger, renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, and soothing honey, which offers antibacterial benefits. Combine these ingredients in warm water, creating a potent yet gentle elixir. Consumed regularly, this concoction aids in calming inflammation, alleviating discomfort, and promoting gastric health. Embracing natural remedies can provide effective, holistic solutions for managing gastritis and supporting overall well-being. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized sweet potato, 600 milliliters of water. Preparation: peel and slice the sweet potato, then add it to a bowl of water. Now, mix the ingredients in a blender, then strain the mixture through a gauze. Press the mixture through the gauze with clean hands to obtain the liquid, and then leave it in a bowl for 2 hours. Afterwards, strain the liquid and there should be sweet potato flour on the bottom of the bowl. Collect the flour and leave it to dry out in the sun if possible. Once it's dry, put the flour in a clean and dry glass jar and close it with a lid. How to consume: add a teaspoon of the sweet potato flour and 200 milliliters of water and stir well, then drink a glass of the mixture before lunch and dinner. This will help you treat gastritis, heartburn and ulcers naturally and in just a short time. Try the remedy yourself, and you will be amazed by the results.